What is going on, YouTube? Back again with another great video, and today you obviously see that I'm automatically using my GoPro today. Today's video, what we got in store for you is something great. We're going to the first meet since the COVID-19 action. We're going to be very careful. Oh, I forgot to get my mask, so I need to go grab that. But we're going to the first Gwinnett meet since this COVID situation happened. They are allowed to be open. We're going to be 6 feet. We're going to be cautious, and we're going to be careful. But I just wanted you guys to go see what's going on. You know, get a little bit of fresh air, see some people, you know, in my video so you guys can feel welcome. And yeah, we're just gonna do a little bit driving. Also, I want to get some steam off, so we're gonna do a little bit driving, mostly GoPro action. And I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. As always, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell wherever it is at on that screen. It helps me be able to post more videos because I get more feedback from you guys. I know what to post, how to post. Make sure you like the video. It's gonna help me out in the long run. I'll be able to post out more beautiful videos like this. It encourages me, as well as in the future we'll be able to help pay off some of the things that I put on my channel. So please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for me, and comment if you have any questions. Thanks. Alright, we're really driving dummy slow right now. Let me roll the windows up. We're driving really slow right now because I guess there's cops everywhere in my subdivision, and we rather not get in no trouble. But my boy Nick, you can see him in my rear view, right behind me, doing his thing. Yeah, we got about 38 minutes till we get there. Hopefully we can get some nice little pulls or something on the road, get some action, see what goes on, you know? So, let's stop talking so much and get to the chase. Alright, we are on the highway now. Sun's starting to set. While we drive, I guess I can talk to you guys. In the next following weeks, probably gonna be getting a gauge pod up here for my AFR sensor, as well as some other sensors to be used in the future. I got some stuff. Might as well go ahead and spoil it for you guys. But I got some carbon fiber fenders from Carbon Plug on Instagram. They're from Fly One Motorsports. They look really nice, and I'm excited to get them. It takes a couple weeks to make and then have them ship it out. Especially with the COVID happening, it had it a little bit delayed. It should have been here by now, but hey, we do what we do. They'll be here eventually, and we're gonna have some nice fun with them. One side note, the thing I love the most about this car now with the tune is that I can finally use cruise control, which this car didn't officially come with at first. I had to buy these retrofit, which is in one of my videos, if you look for it, for the steering wheel buttons. And then after the tune, in order to operate it, you need to use these switches. So now I also am able to use cruise control. I feel like I'm pretty much yapping around here, but yeah. This is kind of what you get when you do a nice little vlog. Not really doing nothing too special, just cruising to our destination as usual. And I always say destination, have y'all noticed that? Pretty much almost there. Now I'm chasing Nick, so yeah. Almost at the meet, guys. It's starting to get a little bit dark, but I'm pretty sure this GoPro will get some nice footage. If not, I do have my camera. We'll be trying to take a couple of shots. We'll see what happens. My camera's not good at nighttime photography. I'll try my very hardest, guys. I'm sorry. Alright, we here now at the gas station. Got a whole lineup out here. Got the whole lineup. Adam? Adam? What up? What's up?
Hey, where's the
huh? Mic. Oh, y'all talking about the mic set in my head? I got it. It's there.
Put it up, put it up, put it up.
You want me to put it up?
Put it on, put it on.
I got this one though.
Hey, no, put
this one's cute. But this one's cute though.
Put the head strap on.
This is the head strap.
Yo,
I know. Get the mic on.
I gotta put the mic.
You gotta put the view angle, bro.
All right, hold on. That's great.
No, you got a mic? Oh my god.
What's up? What's up? What's up?
Squirrel on his head. He's ready to get the audio gapping all y'all fuckboys.
What's up?
Every day. Yeah. Just to see if it's number changed.
His number changed. Every day. What number?
Oh, that was real close to my car.
Hold on now. What they got in the truck? What they got in the truck?
UAV up.
Off-road and off-road.
I talked to my parents about it.
Sergio, if you
And I
watching
told
this,
bro, just pay the
you
ticket.
lame, bro. Whoa.
Pay the ticket.
AMG? Got everybody's cars out here.
When you don't bring your car to I look, you should have drove.
All the nice cars. Cruising! Straight cruising! Where he going? He finna cruise again? You got white body and rich. I think so. Hello.
How are you?
Wow. All right, time to go. Time to go. We gotta meet up to the meet. Let me get out the way.
No, hey, you should have told everybody to get out the way.
This convertible though is something good.
Chill. We just trying to say wait in the back.
Here, please, please.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Shit. Watch out.
My birthday. I graduated today. Hey, it's graduation. Grab it, please. Hey, grab it. Graduated. What? That's why I'm dropping out.
If you can. Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness. Hey, this is my next color for sure.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end. Come and give me your